Hello, health enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered how the foods you eat impact your body, more specifically, your kidneys? These small, bean-shaped organs perform vital functions, including filtering waste and excess fluids from your blood. But did you know that your diet can significantly influence their health? Today, we're going to explore the top 5 foods that are not just delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your kidneys. So, if you're ready to take a step towards better kidney health, stay tuned because this video is going to be a game changer for you. Let's dive in. 1. Cauliflower. Cauliflower, a humble vegetable, often overlooked, holds a secret superpower, especially for those with kidney health concerns. This cruciferous vegetable is a treasure trove of nutrients, and its benefits for kidney health are truly remarkable. Firstly, cauliflower is low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, the 3 elements that individuals with kidney issues are often advised to monitor. A half cup of raw cauliflower contains just 13 calories, 15 milligrams of sodium, 150 milligrams of potassium, and 22 milligrams of phosphorus. These numbers make cauliflower a kidney-friendly food, but the story doesn't end there. Cauliflower is also a good source of vitamin C, folate, and fiber. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps protect the body against harmful free radicals. Folate is crucial for the formation of red blood cells, while fiber aids in maintaining bowel regularity and controlling blood sugar. The magic of cauliflower extends beyond its nutritional profile. It's packed with phytochemicals that assist the liver in neutralizing toxic substances. These compounds also offer protection against cancer and heart disease. Did you know cauliflower's unique texture and mild flavor make it a versatile ingredient in the kitchen? It can be mashed as a low-potassium alternative to potatoes, or it can be used to make cauliflower rice, a popular low-carb substitute for traditional rice. Its ability to absorb flavors makes it a perfect addition to a variety of dishes. 2. Blueberries. Have you ever wondered about the secret powers of blueberries? These tiny, vibrant berries are not just delicious, but they also pack a punch when it comes to kidney health. Blueberries are often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. They are brimming with nutrients that are beneficial for your kidneys. The magic lies in their rich content of antioxidants, which are known to protect your body from harmful free radicals. But what makes blueberries particularly special for kidney health? Well, they are known to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 major factors that can contribute to kidney damage. By including blueberries in your diet, you're essentially giving your kidneys a protective shield. Moreover, blueberries are a good source of fiber. Now, you might be wondering, what does fiber have to do with kidneys? A lot, actually. A diet high in fiber can help control blood sugar levels, reduce cholesterol, and even assist in weight management. All of these are crucial for maintaining kidney health. And the best part? They are incredibly versatile. Whether you want to toss them in your morning cereal, blend them into a smoothie, or just snack on them as is, blueberries are an easy and delicious way to boost your kidney health. So, the next time you see these little blue gems, remember, they are not just a tasty treat, but a boon for your kidneys too. 3. Seabass. Ever thought about the wonders of seabass for your kidneys? This delightful fish is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your kidney health. Seabass, like many other fish, is packed with nutrients that are beneficial for your kidneys. It's rich in heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 major factors that can contribute to kidney damage. So, when you're savoring a delicious seabass dish, you're also giving your kidneys a protective boost. What's more, seabass is a good source of protein. Protein is essential for our bodies, and it plays a crucial role in maintaining kidney health. But here's the catch. It's not just about the quantity of protein, but also the quality, and seabass provides high-quality protein that's easy on your kidneys. But the benefits of seabass don't stop there. It's also loaded with various vitamins and minerals, making it a nutrient-dense choice for a kidney-friendly diet. And the best part? It's naturally low in sodium, which is a big plus for maintaining kidney health. So, the next time you're at the seafood counter, give seabass a second look. It's not just a tasty choice for your next meal, but also a smart choice for your kidneys. 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, those earthy, orange-hued root vegetables, are not just a delicious addition to your meals. They also pack a punch when it comes to health benefits, particularly for your kidneys. These tubers are celebrated as one of nature's superfoods, brimming with antioxidants and nutrients. But did you know that they could be a secret weapon for supporting kidney health? For those with chronic kidney disease or on dialysis, dietary modifications are crucial. Certain foods that are generally considered healthy can become dangerous if they contain too much sodium or potassium. So, where do sweet potatoes fit in this scenario? Well, sweet potatoes are a safe and beneficial option for those with renal issues. They are loaded with vitamins A and C, folic acid, oleic acid, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, copper, iron, and calcium. These nutrients not only support overall health, but also have specific benefits for the kidneys. Sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene, which can help reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys from damage. These antioxidants also play a role in supporting immune health, another crucial aspect of managing chronic kidney disease. Moreover, sweet potatoes have been linked to improved heart health. This is due to their rich content in fiber and antioxidants like beta-carotene and vitamin C. Beta-carotene helps protect cells from oxidative damage while promoting eye health. So, next time you're planning your meals, why not consider adding some sweet potatoes? Not only will you enjoy their natural sweetness and comforting flavour, but you'll also be doing your kidneys a favour. Remember, everyone's dietary needs differ, so please consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet. 5. Dark leafy greens. Have you ever wondered why your parents always insisted on you eating your greens? Well, it turns out they were onto something. Dark leafy greens, like spinach and kale, are not just ordinary vegetables. They're superfoods, packed with a variety of vitamins and minerals that are essential for our health. Now, let's talk about our kidneys. These small bean-shaped organs perform vital functions in our body, including filtering waste products from our blood. So, it's crucial to keep them healthy. And guess what? Our superfoods come into play here as well. Dark leafy greens are rich in vitamins A, C, E, and K. They also contain B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and calcium. All these nutrients are beneficial for our overall health, but they're particularly good for our kidneys. But here's the interesting part. These leafy greens are also high in potassium, which is a nutrient that people with kidney disease may need to monitor. But don't worry, the amount of potassium you can have each day will depend on your stage of kidney disease or the type of dialysis you receive. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some dark leafy greens. Your kidneys will thank you. And remember, it's not just about eating these superfoods. It's about embracing a healthy lifestyle for the sake of our kidneys and overall health. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our future videos. We've got a lot of exciting content coming your way.